Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you the new blog editor which you can use inside of funnels and websites. This new update is designed to improve customer experience and to help you design funnels and websites a lot faster. Alright, first we want to navigate to sites and then either to funnels or websites. In this case we have selected funnels. Let's click edit, and here we want to select a section, then we want to add a row, select one column, and here we select a text element. So let's go for the subheadline for now. Let's place some text. Here we go, introducing new blog editor for funnels and websites builder. If you highlight this, you can already see the new menu popping up here. This was previously just available in blogs. Now it's also available inside of websites and funnels. So from here, you can dictate if it's a headline 1, if it's a headline 2, headline 3. Let's keep it at headline 1 for now. Then you can go on and select different fonts, which is amazing. Let's select later. And then, of course, bold, italic, underline, strike through, hyperlinks, and custom values. If you click the 3 dots right here, you can see those 2 new features, Subscript and Superscript. So let's say there's our brand name and we wanted to add a little trademark sign to it. Let's write our brand TM, highlight TM, click the 3 dots and select Superscript. And you can see a little trademark sign right here. Mark this in bold. You can also mark this in bold, italic, underlines, whatever your heart desires. Okay, make that a little bigger so you can see that better. Now we also have a dedicated bullet list section. Click the orange plus to add another element. Select bullet list. And here you can already see some stuff. If you mark this in blue, you can already see the menu showing up. Now here you can also select different types of bullet points. Either you want to see bullet points or numbers. Let's add some more so you can see it better. Let's mark this and let's select numbers. All right. And last but not least, of course, we can also use AI inside the website and funnel builder right now. So if you click the AI button, you can say, hey, generate here some stuff with AI. You can improve writing. You can fix spelling and grammar. You can simplify writing. You can make it longer or make it shorter. For fun, let's just click make it longer. And our AI tool indeed made the text a lot longer. You can now read through this, decide if you like it. If you don't like it, you just hit regenerate. Or if you liked it, you would just click replace text. This new update will help you to create more engaging and visually appealing content. It will help you to streamline your workflows and reduce friction and help you to achieve your design goals much more efficiently. I will see you in the next video.